Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Shokz or AfterShokz Trekz Titanium bone conduction wireless headset and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these headphones are not connecting to your phone or other device, or they're not pairing with Bluetooth, or they keep disconnecting. Any kind of troubleshooting issues you might be having can very often be fixed with a factory reset. The second reason you might want to do this is just any situation where you want to delete all the pairing history and set these up basically like they're brand new. So the first thing we can do is just go on our phone or whatever we've had them paired with in the past, delete them off of there. The next thing we want to do is do this reset, and we're going to start by putting them in pairing mode. So from turned off, we're going to come in and press and hold the volume up/power button for about 5 seconds until the indicator light starts to flash blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, and it'll actually say pairing in the headphones. Once that happens, you're going to let go and then simultaneously press the volume down, volume up, and the multifunction buttons on the other earphone simultaneously for about 3 to 5 seconds until these headphones blink, or not blink, beep, at which point they have been reset. You can let go of the buttons. All you need to do now is turn them off, turn them back on, and set them up like a new set of headphones.